Today I'll show you how to make the best chicken wings in an air fryer, which for me is all about simple seasoning and super crispy chicken. Of course, you can season yours however you would like. With this technique, we really can't foul things up. To get us started here, we'll need, you guessed it, chicken wings. And when I make these, I really just like them to taste like chicken wings, so I season them super simply just with about a teaspoon of salt per pound and fresh cracked pepper to taste. Just give that the old mix around to get everything evenly coated with those seasonings. Don't worry, they won't get dizzy. Now here's the real secret to the best chicken wings in an air fryer. Have an air fryer that has a rotisserie basket. A lot of them do, and it's literally the only way I ever use my air fryer. I'll put a link down to the one I use in the description if you guys want to check that out. You could definitely do this with an air fryer that uses a tray or a basket, but you're going to have to flip the chicken halfway through. Whereas with the rotisserie, we can just set it and forget it. Our chicken wings will get perfectly crispy on all sides. So we'll go ahead and take those for a spin and air fry them for about 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'd start checking on them after 30 minutes though. Not everybody likes their chicken as crispy as I do. But that's literally all there is to it. It just couldn't be easier to get the perfectly crispy chicken wing in an air fryer, especially if you have one of these handy dandy rotisserie models. I hope you've enjoyed this quick episode of Passion for Food. If you have, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss our future recipes. This has been Graham with A Passion for Food.